Hi, Justin Pearson Photography, North Carolina. How to use a fisheye lens. Fisheye lens is like any other lens, attaches to your camera in the same way, but what makes a fisheye unique is how wide angle you can take. 180 degrees can be represented in your frame in a fisheye lens. So that gives you a lot of opportunity for creativity, brings in a lot of light. It also makes it a situation where you can actually take a photograph handheld with a slightly slower shutter speed and not get any of the blur normally associated with a slow shutter speed. Fisheye come in sort of a 180 degree direction, and then they also have a circular sort of barrel look to them. There's two different kinds. So check with the manufacturer and you'll find out which one it is, but that is how you use a fisheye lens.